Rodriguez, aka Big C-Rod. I'm the CEO from Big C-Rod Entertainment. I manage, I promote, and I got other connections out of New York, from Chicago. I'm here tonight supporting my man Jay Magicus. He's gonna be performing here tonight, and he's the man. You know what I'm saying? He helps me out, I help him out. I'm out here helping artists just like himself, and just look for Big C-Rod Entertainment to help any artist that need help. Come find me, baby. Yo, Jay, come here. I'm gonna introduce you to the man of the hour, Magicus. This man, when he get on stage, he makes sure your feet is dancing. Your shoes is on fire. Come out and support your man, Magicus. Why they call him Magicus? Because when he performs, magic happens.
Exactly, baby. Hands on fire, feet dancing. That's how I can make it pop. If you have a culo, I'm definitely going to be making you dance. That's how I do.
And I'm going to tell you something. He's going to be performing at my location in Brooklyn. Stay tuned for the info. Remember, when Magic, go and support him, because he's going to be your next singer up there on the stage with the rest of them, like Coral, like Noel, you know what I'm saying, Aduka, all of them. He carries all their weight on him now. Bust it up.
As a matter of fact, just to let you guys know, I will be performing on July 6, 2012 at Freestyle Explosion up in the amphitheater in Long Island, New York. I'm going to be there with the top of the creme when it comes to freestyle. Guys like Coral, Noel, Nation, TKA, anything is freestyle, you name it, they're going to be there, and so will I. So look out for me.
So remember, come out to July 6th. And let's show this man love, because when he rocked the house, magic happened. Peace.
Unlimited entertainment, baby.